Welcome back to the Coles RX Healthcast, where we explore the topics that help you live healthier, happier lives. Today, we're diving deep into a critical topic that affects millions of people: sleep apnea and CPAP therapy. If you or someone you love struggles with sleep apnea, this episode will serve as your ultimate guide to understanding how CPAP therapy works, its benefits, and how Coles RX Respiratory can make the journey seamless. We'll cover everything from what sleep apnea is and how it impacts your health to the logistics of obtaining a CPAP machine, dealing with insurance, and maintaining your equipment for long-term success. Let's get started. Sleep apnea isn't just a nuisance. It's a serious condition with wide-ranging effects on your health. It's characterized by pauses in breathing during sleep. These interruptions, called apneas, occur when the muscles in the throat relax so much that they block the airway. This has two primary consequences. Number one is oxygen disruption. Your brain and body aren't getting the oxygen they need. This often causes your brain to jolt you awake briefly to restart breathing. While you may not remember these awakenings, they can happen dozens, even hundreds of times a night. The second consequence is sleep quality decline. Because your sleep is so frequently disrupted, you don't reach the restorative deep stages of sleep that your body and mind need to function optimally. The cumulative effects of sleep apnea are alarming. Daytime fatigue is one of them. Chronic exhaustion affects your ability to concentrate and perform daily activities. Another effect is long-term health risks. Untreated sleep apnea is linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and even depression. It also has an effect on your emotional well-being. Constant fatigue and health complications can take a toll on your mental health and relationships. If you've ever felt unusually tired despite a full night's sleep or heard complaints about loud snoring from a partner, it's worth exploring whether sleep apnea might be the cause. Now that we understand the problem, let's look at the solution: CPAP therapy. CPAP, which stands for continuous positive airway pressure, works by addressing the root cause of sleep apnea, the collapsing airway. Here's how it works. A CPAP machine delivers a steady stream of air through a mask worn over your nose or mouth. This pressurized air keeps your throat muscles from collapsing, ensuring that your airway stays open throughout the night. As a result, you breathe normally and continuously without interruptions. The benefits of CPAP therapy extend beyond just fixing your breathing. By eliminating apneas, your body can enter deep, restorative sleep. This improves not only how you feel the next day, but also your long-term health. The brain no longer has to constantly wake you up to resume breathing, which means you get uninterrupted rest. So what can you expect when you start using a CPAP machine? Let's break down the benefits. Improved sleep quality. CPAP therapy stops the interruptions caused by sleep apnea, allowing you to experience deep, restorative sleep. Many users report feeling truly rested for the first time in years. Boosted energy levels. Proper sleep means your body has the chance to recharge. You'll wake up feeling energized and ready to tackle the day, instead of fighting to stay awake. Reduced health risks. By addressing the root cause of sleep apnea, CPAP therapy reduces your risk of conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It also helps stabilize hormones, which can alleviate depression and mood swings. Better cognitive function. Sleep deprivation caused by sleep apnea can impair memory, focus, and decision-making. With CPAP therapy, your brain gets the rest it needs, improving cognitive performance. It's non-invasive and customizable. Unlike surgical options, CPAP therapy is non-invasive. While it might take some time to adjust to the mask and air pressure, most users find it to be a comfortable and effective treatment. The key to reaping these benefits is consistency. Regular use of your CPAP machine will ensure long-term improvements in your health and quality of life. Now let's talk about how to get started. If you suspect you have sleep apnea, the first step is to consult your doctor. They'll evaluate your symptoms like snoring, fatigue, or witnessed apneas, and recommend a sleep study to confirm the diagnosis. Home sleep apnea testing. A more convenient option for some This test allows you to collect data in the comfort of your own home. Your sleep study results will indicate the severity of your condition, measured by metrics like the apnea-hypopnea index. Based on these results, your doctor will prescribe CPAP therapy. Obtaining a CPAP machine involves navigating prescriptions and insurance. ColesRx Respiratory simplifies this process to make it as stress-free as possible. Prescription requirements. Your doctor will write a prescription detailing your diagnosis and the recommended CPAP settings. ColesRx can work directly with your provider to gather all necessary documentation. Insurance authorization. Many insurance plans require prior authorization. ColesRx handles the paperwork, ensuring your prescription, sleep study results, and medical records are submitted for approval. Understanding coverage. Every insurance plan is different. ColesRx helps you understand your benefits, copays, and deductibles, so there are no surprises. Once you have your CPAP machine, proper setup and maintenance are essential for success. ColesRx Respiratory ensures you're supported every step of the way. Initial setup. A trained professional will show you how to use your machine, adjust the mask, and clean your equipment. Regular replacement of filters, masks, and tubing is crucial. ColesRx establishes a supply schedule so you never run out of essentials. Adjusting to CPAP therapy can take time. ColesRx offers troubleshooting and personalized advice to ensure you stay on track through our ongoing support. CPAP therapy is a collaborative effort involving you, your doctor, and ColesRx Respiratory. Here's how the team works together. Consistently using your CPAP machine and communicating any issues is your role. The doctor's role is monitoring your progress and adjusting treatment as needed. ColesRx's role is providing top quality equipment, ensure timely supplies, and offer ongoing support. Sleep apnea doesn't have to control your life. CPAP therapy transforms your sleep, energy, and overall health. ColesRx Respiratory is here to make the journey easy from diagnosis to maintenance. If you're ready to take the next step, visit colesrx.com to learn more or contact us directly. Thank you for joining us today on the ColesRx Healthcast. Here's to better sleep and a healthier you.